Hey everyone, welcome back to Flower City Fibers, where we make knitting smoother, neater, and more enjoyable. Have you ever noticed those annoying gaps between your knit and purl stitches, especially in ribbing or cables? It makes the stitches look oversized and less structured, but today, I've got a simple trick to fix that. The problem happens when a purl stitch sits to the left of a knit stitch. That transition can create a loose gap, making your work look less polished. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. When you reach the purl stitch that's right next to a knit stitch, instead of wrapping the yarn counterclockwise as usual, you're going to wrap it clockwise around your needle. This reverses the stitch's orientation, tightening up the transition between the purl and knit stitches. You only need to do this on the first purl stitch after a knit stitch. You do not need to do this on every single purl stitch. On the next row, your wrong side row, this stitch will now appear twisted. That's exactly what we want. When you reach it, knit through the back loop to untwist it. This small change keeps your stitches snug and well aligned, reducing gaps for a more polished look. Here is the swatch without the fix. Notice the loose gap between the knit and purl stitches? And here's the swatch with the fix. Here the stitches are tighter, neater, and more form-fitting. No more gaps in the ribbing or sloppy cables. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more knitting tricks. Let me know in the comments what other knitting frustrations do you want me to tackle next. And don't forget to check out my Instagram for quick tips and project inspiration. Happy knitting!